Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we'll talk about the angle and the measure. But before we start, we need to know what is the meaning of the angle. Can anyone give me a definition for the angle?
Mr. It is
The angle.
it is two collinear rays. Yeah, let's have a comment.
Collinear. Collinear, its mean lies on the same line.
No, I mean, sorry,
Linear.
non-collinear. Sorry, non-collinear.
Oh, planar?
Non-collinear, sorry.
Non-collinear.
It is basically formed by two rays, maybe.
Two rays. So we have here, that's the first ray, and that's the second ray. So that's an angle. Is this right?
We have a vertex, Mr. Have a vertex common. With.
Yeah.
So we can define. So we can define the angle as two rays with the same starting point. Two rays with the same starting point. So that's the first ray, and that's the second ray. So this one is ray, and this one is ray, and this one is the starting point.
Or vertex.
So the starting point defined here for the angle, when you have a new shape now, this shape is called an angle. And now it's not two rays now. It's become a new shape. It's defined by the angle. And the angle here, the starting point defined by the vertex of the angle. And the two rays, each one of them defined as a side of the angle. So we have two sides and one vertex. Any problem for this one? The definition and the meaning of the angle?
No.
Okay. How we can find the name of the angle? To write the name of the angle, you can find it with four ways. We have four ways to write the name of the angle. Just 1 minute to open. Ways. So the first way that we have, suppose that we have this ray is called BA, and this ray is called AC. So we can say that the name of this angle will be BAC. You have to start from one side, then going to the vertex, then going to the other side. So BAC or CAB. You have to write the vertex at the middle. Or you can say that it's called angle A. Or you can just write a number here. So it could be angle number 1. So that is the names. We can name the angle with four ways. With the 3 letters or the name of the vertex, or we can name it with labeled with a number inside the angle.
So which page in the book?
I don't know the book. Who asked me about the book?
Me, Muhammad Raed.
Muhammad Raed, that's not the book, Muhammad Raed. Why you are asking about the book? You just open the index and you know the page. I'm not using the book. Close the book. Don't look at the book, please, and look at the screen. By the way, the question here is not the same like the book. Just look at the book, the screen. Please. Plus, to make it easy for you and for myself. So now, as we said, now it's defined as that we have here a vertex and we have two sides. So we can say, what is the name of this angle? We can say that's called angle YXZ, or we can say that angle ZXY, or angle X, or angle number 3. What are the two sides of the angle?
Y and Z.
No, two sides. Yeah. How side is one point?
Mister, you said no. You said there's two sides. Yes, Mister. I said
yes,
Y
two
and
sides.
Z.
Two sides. Where is the
Y
side?
And Z.
How come Y and Z are two sides?
X and
side
and
must
y.
X and Y. What is the meaning of X and Y? What's your name?
Zaki.
What's your name again, Zaki? Full name. I need two names, not just one.
Ahmed Zaki.
Ahmed and Zaki.
Yeah.
The same. If you remember when I say the same way.
Yeah.
Ahmed and Zaki. So you can say X and Y. The ray is called XY.
Y. Oh.
XZ. So that's the two rays. What is the name of the vertex for this one?
X.
X. So the vertex is a point. So I need just one point. Ray is a side or a line. So I need 2 points. Any line must be defined by 2 points lies on this line. Okay? You remember when I say what is the difference between AB, AB, AB,
AB line. Yeah.
AB by this way and AB.
Yeah.
You remember this one? So can you give me the difference between them?
Yes. The first one is
This one is the
length
length.
of line segment.
Length of a
Yes.
line segment. That's
This
line
is
segment.
a line segment. Yes.
Mr.
That's
Islam,
ray.
there's one
And it's a
student
line.
wants to get in, but he
And
can't.
Who?
Abdul Muhaymin.
Can you ask him to just a minute, Hazik?
Yeah, he's like he
And
can. You're
that's
not
the
letting him.
And Osama. This is the only two. Abdul Muhaymin. He just joined now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So the last one also is the ray, but the difference between number 3 and number 5, for the first one, that's the starting point is A, and the second number 5 is the starting point is
B.
Okay. So for any angle, it's dividing the plane in two parts or two regions. The first one is interior region, and the other part is exterior. The interior, it's mean which lies between the two sides. So like we have a point R and S like in the interior region, and the exterior region, which is P and O, lies in exterior region. You know the difference between them?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need to name all of the angle with the vertex B. Where is B? That's B.
In between. Yeah.
I need to name all of the angle with the vertex B. Any angle has a vertex B, we need to write the name.
BD.
ABD.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. How? Yes, yeah, it must. Angle 3 letters. And it can't be 2 letters.
ABD, sorry.
So the first one is angle ABD.
DBA.
Or you can say this angle is called
DB.
DBA.
Okay.
Or
number 1.
angle number 1.
Or letter B.
We can't say letter B for this one. Why? Because we have here for the, if you look at the angle, if I need to find angle B, which angle B that I need? Which angle B that I mean? You have here angle B, which is 1. And you have another angle B here. And you have another one which is a straight angle. So which one that you mean? So if you find that the vertex is common in more than one angle, you can't label only with one letter. You have to label with 3 letters. You know the difference now? When I have here, just 1 minute, that is the angle. So I can say that's angle A, B, C, or I can say that's called angle B. But when I say, as I have here, that's angle A, B, C, and D. When I say angle B, which angle B that you mean? The smallest one is the ABD or B or CBD or ABC. Which one? So when a vertex is common in more than one angle, you have to label with a number or 3 letters. You understand it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
also B is a vertex is common for another angle. What is this angle? It's also belongs to the angle ABC, and it's also belongs to the angle B. CBD.
Huh?
CBD or angle DBC, or
it could be CBA.
It can be CBA and the angle 2 and the angle CBA. All of that are vertices that B belongs to them, and B is the vertex of all of these angles. All of that are angles that B is the vertex of them. So we need to name the side of the angle number 3. Where is angle number 3? That's angle number 3. This one.
C. ECK.
No, sorry, BC.
Huh?
Side, it's mean how many letters?
CB, Mr. You can say.
CB, that is the first side.
Yes.
Side, it's mean. Side, it's mean 2 letters.
And
Just
CE.
2. And C.
E and C.
La ilaha illallah.
And CE.
DMC, how come?
CE.
CE. So that is the side of the vertex number 3. We need to name another angle for GHL.
LG.
7. 7. It can be angle 7.
H
Or LG.
Or angle
just a minute.
7.
Or angle
LH or angle number 7.
Yeah.
H is not common for any other angle, so we can say angle H, because vertex H is we have only one angle for vertex H. X is not a common between more than one angle, so we can label the angle with the name of its vertex. Now we need a point that lies at the interior part of DBK. Where is DBK? Just we can go. I will start from DBK. I need the interior point. A point which lies at the interior part of DBK. Angle E.
Yeah.
Yeah, point E. Sorry, angle E. Point E.
What?
Point again for this one.
Angle E or point E?
Point E. Point E.
BC.
Okay.
We need a point.
Yeah.
it's E.
Who said
E.
BC?
E. Not me.
خلدون.
منصور.
خلدون.
It's Khaldun.
Who's Khaldun?
Have you finished joking? I can mute all of you. Have you finished? Huh. As you are joking, you can give me a response, please. Have you finished? We need the vertex of angle 5. That is the same graph. The vertex of angle 5.
C.
We need to write another name for angle ECL.
LCE.
L.
Or
Wait, I don't get number 4.
angle 4.
Or angle 4.
Yeah.
C is common. The common vertex. So we can say angle C. We can say angle C because it's common. Not like H.
Oh.
H is not common. There is only one angle with a vertex H. So we can say that's angle H.
So here we can't say angle C, right?
No, we can say angle C because when I say angle C, which angle C that you want? Angle KCE or angle BCE or angle GCE or angle BCG? Which angle that you want?
Okay.
There is more than one angle when I say C. But when I say H, there is only one angle, which is this one.
H. Oh.
There is only one angle. Okay.
Wait, Mr. Islam, could you see number 4 again?
Number 4 for this one?
Yes.
Okay. Number 4. Name the point in the interior of interior. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of interior region, which lies between the two sides? What's the two sides of which angle? D, B, K. So I will start from D, B, K. Where is the interior region? All of this part is the interior region. So is there any point lies in this part?
Oh, okay. E.
E. So if I need the exterior region, can you give me a point lies in the exterior?
A.
Angle A or
G.
G. J, H, all of them lies in the exterior region. You understand now the difference?
Even L?
L lies on the same line. L lies on the same line. So you can say L. Because it's not clear if that's belong to the same line or not to the same line. But to be clear, and this is the point that's are clear. E, interior. A, G, H, J are exterior. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to name the side of the angle 5. What are the sides of angle 5?
EV.
That's angle 5. So that is the angle number 5.
Yes.
Give me the name of the first side. The name of the first side.
You can say
the name of the
GC.
first side. Just a minute. The name of the first side. You have to start with the vertex and go in the direction of the side.
Yeah.
C.
AC. CA.
Start from the vertex. Where is the vertex? Where is the
GCB.
vertex? La ilaha illallah.
C.
When I ask you a question, please.
CG.
If you want to understand, when I ask you a question, give me the answer for this question. Okay? Where is angle 5? That's angle 5. What is the name of the vertex?
C.
So when you need to find the name of the side, it must be CC.
CG.
Halas? So
Yes.
we start from C. Where is the direction?
CG.
I'm going to A and I'm
A.
going to
A.
C.
CA.
So it must be
CG.
CA and CG.
Mhm.
Someone can say CB instead of CA. That's right, because it lies on the same line. Someone can say, I would say CJ. I would say that's right. So all of them, the two lines, CA and CB, the same ray. CG and CJ, the same ray. So you can say that the two sides of the angle, CG, if you say CG and CJ, I will say wrong. Because only one of them is right. Because both of them have the same meaning.
Oh, so we can choose from one line too,
Again,
like CB here and CJ here.
again, how you can write the name of the side, how you can write the name of the ray. Suppose that we have a line here. That's A, B, C, D. If you remember the first lesson, what is the name of this line? AD.
Yeah.
When I say AB, is right or wrong?
Wrong.
Right or wrong?
Right.
What is the meaning of a line? What is the meaning of a line? A line. It's extend, has no a line set of point that has no thickness and no width, and extend from the both sides. So it's extended from the side A and extended from the side B.
Yes.
Moving in direction of A and moving in direction of B.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So when I say BC is also right, CD is right, BD is right. Please, if you are not using the mic, please use it. If you are not using the mic, please use the mic. So that's how we can name the line. The line, you can choose any 2-point lies on the line. So suppose now we have a ray. How we can name the ray? I will erase all of that, and we can check how we can write the name of the ray. Ray is extended only from, has a starting point and extend only from one side. So suppose that we have A, B, C, and D. What is the name of this ray?
AD.
AD.
AD. And how we can start the ray? From A or from D?
From A.
A.
If I say AB is right or wrong?
Yes, it's right.
Yes.
When I say AC is right or wrong?
Right.
Right.
When I say BC is right or wrong?
Right.
No.
Right.
Right.
No.
Wrong.
AD.
Because I'm
You're
starting
starting the
from
raise
B.
A.
I
Oh,
need
yeah.
the starting
From A.
point to be the same. The starting point, sorry. The starting point is A. The starting point must be A. So start from A and move in direction of B, C, D. Suppose that we have a point here is E, and a point here is F, a point here is X. You can say any other letter, but you have to start from A. That is the starting point. You need to mention the name of this one, because all of these points are collinear, lies on the same line. So you need to start from the starting point and move in direction. That's how we can explain the ray. It's moving in direction of B. Moving in direction of B, the same direction of X, the same direction of C, the same direction of F, D, and E. You got the idea for this one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so when I need to name the side of the angle, I have to start from the vertex. That's a starting point. Because if you remember the definition of the angle. What is the definition of the angle? What is the definition of the angle? When I say just the first point, I need you to give me the definition of the angle.
Starting point.
Two rays.
Yes, two rays with the same starting point.
With
the same starting
the same starting point. Then for the starting point, we say instead of the starting point, we'll give the another name, which is the vertex. So you have to start the name of the side, and we replace the rays with a sides. So to name the ray, you need a start point. This start point, which is the vertex. So when you need to find the name of the sides, it's mean find the name of the rays. So to start with the ray, you need to start with a starting point, which is the vertex. So what is the vertex here? C. So you have to write C. That is the starting point. I'm starting from C and moving in direction of G. So that's the first ray. I'm starting from C and moving in direction of B. So that's the second one. You understand how we can write this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We need to name all of the exterior point for CLH. CLH.
D, Mr. D.
CLH.
Exterior. G and
Exterior.
J.
Exterior is D and D.
D
and E.
and E.
And E.
Both of them are exterior. If you say D, it's right. If you say E, it's right. Okay. Now with the type of the angle. What is the type of the angle that we have? We have there are another two types I will write here. The first one is called zero angle. From the name, it's a measure equals zero. So the first one that we have, which is zero angle. The measure of the zero angle equals 0 degree. The second one, which is acute angle. Its measure is more than 0 and less than 90. More than 0 and less than 90. You can say less than 90 again. You can say less than 90 and stop. It's more than 0 and less than 90 because 0 is smaller than 90 and 0 is not an acute angle.
Yes.
So it must be more than 0 and less than 90. The third one, which is the right angle, it have to be exactly 90 degrees. And the last one, the number 4, which is the obtuse. You can say it's more than 90.
Yeah.
It's more than 90. It must be more than 90 and less than 180. Because the 180, which is the straight angle.
Straight angle.
Yes.
You know now the 5 types. The first one, zero angle, the acute angle, right, obtuse, and straight. You have 3 of them. Must be a certain measure like 0, 90, and 180. The acute lies between them, lies between the two smallest parts, which is 0 and 90. The obtuse between 90 and 180. We need to copy the diagram, then classify the type of the angle, then use the protractor to measure. You can use the protractor later, but now we need to find the type of the angle. MJB, MJP. I will start from MJP. What is the type of the
Right
angle?
angle.
Right angle.
Right angle. Okay. We need to name the type of the angle LJB.
Obtuse.
Start
Obtuse.
from LJP because it's more than 90, so it will be obtuse.
Obtuse.
Okay. NJL.
NJP.
NJP. Sorry, NJP.
NJP.
NJP. NJP. Okay.
And it's acute.
Okay.
Yeah.
The same here. We need to find AFP. AFP.
Acute.
Acute. AFP.
CFA.
Right.
Right. No.
Right.
This one is right. So this one will be?
Right.
Don't say
Right.
left, please. Right. Right. AFD.
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
AFD obtuse.
Oh. Again, AFD.
AFD it's repeated خلاص. My mistake. CFD.
Acute.
Acute, yes, acute.
Okay. Okay. What is the meaning of a congruent line segment? When we can say that two line segments are congruent?
When the length is equal.
When they are equal in length. But when if I want to say two angles are congruent, then they are equal in measure. So line segment. So when I say that the line segment AB equals the length of the line segment AB equals XY, then we can say that the line segment AB is congruent to the line segment XY. We say the first one is the length of the line segment equal to the length. But for the second one, the line segment is congruent to the line segment. So when I need to find for the angle, I have to say measure of angle A equals measure of angle B. Then angle A is congruent with angle B. You know the difference between them?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you explain the second one again?
Again for this one. When I need to find for the side, I have to start with a side AB, the length of a line, equal the length of a line. Then a line segment is congruent to the line segment. But for the angle, I have to say the measure of the angle equal to the measure of the angle. Therefore, the angle is congruent to the angle. Two angles are congruent if the measures are equal. Two line segments are congruent if the lengths are equal. So for the first one, I need the length. For the second one, I need the measure. Measure of the angle. Okay. So we have the angle bisector. What is the meaning of angle bisector? Angle bisector is a ray drawing from starting. The starting point for this ray is the vertex of the angle. If you draw this ray, it will divide the angle into two equal parts. Like the ray that we have here, which is YW. Now you draw YW and divide the angle into two equal parts. The first part is 80 and the second part is 80. It means YW will be the bisector of angle XYZ, because it's a divide XYZ in two equal parts. You understand the meaning of the bisector? The ray which must be drawn from the vertex of the angle. Must be drawn from the vertex of the angle, the starting point, the vertex of the angle, and bisect the angle or divide the angle into two equal parts. Okay.
Yeah.
Type. Now for the figure that we have KJ and KM are two opposite rays. What is the meaning of the opposite rays? This one. What you know about the opposite rays? Give me any definition if you want.
They're not the same.
They're not moving into the same
opposite
directions.
But I don't mean the this meaning. Opposite rays, it's mean they are forming
different
straight
measures.
line. What is the meaning of forming straight line? It means the measure of the angle between them will be 180 degrees.
100 kg.
That is the meaning of opposite rays. Opposite rays, it means they are forming a straight line. And the straight line, its measure is 180 degrees.
Yeah.
KN bisect angle JKL. Where's KN? That's KN. So that's KN. Bisect angle JKL. It means this part is equal to that one.
Yes.
You understand now?
Yes.
Okay. Measure of angle JKN. Where is JKN? JKN. This one is 8x minus 13. And the measure of angle NKL. That's NKL. This part is
6x plus 11.
Plus 11. We need to find measure of angle JKN.
So it will be 8x minus 13 equals 6x plus 11.
6x plus 11. And
just
then
again, please, again.
8x minus 13 equals 6x.
How you know
11.
that?
Because Mr.
Because we need to find
these
JK.
parts are equal.
Sorry?
Because the two parts are equal.
Why the two parts are equal?
Because Mr. is a bisector.
This is what I need to say. So you have to write because we have Kn as a bisector
Of
angle JKL, then angle JKL is equals angle NKL. It's mean by substitution, then 8x minus 13 is equals 6L plus 11. So by adding 13 and subtracting
2x,
then 2x equals 24 divided by 2, therefore
x is equal to 12.
X equals to 12. Okay. But we didn't finish because the required is, that is the required. So measure of angle JKN, please read the question carefully. JKN, which is 8 times 12 minus 13, which is, what is the answer? 8 times 12? 96.
83.
Minus 13,
minus 13,
which is 83. Any problem for this one?
No.
Okay. For the same question, we have Kn is bisecting angle JKL. That's the same question. Okay. And measure of angle JKL, all of this one is 9y
plus 15.
9y plus 15. And the measure of angle JKN, that's this one. JKN, only this one
5y plus 2.
is 5y plus 2. How we can solve this one?
5y plus 2 is equal to y plus 15.
So JKN is half of JKL.
Yes.
You subtract.
Not subtracting.
Yes, because it's,
Yes, so I said yes. This one 5y plus 2 is half the measure of 9y plus 15.
Yeah.
yeah.
So how we solve this one?
And then we minus 9y with 5.
5y plus 2
And
is
then-
equal to 9y plus 15 over 2.
Again, please.
5y, no. 9y
5y
minus.
Just one. Zaki, just 1 minute.
5
Zaki, just 1 minute. Can you solve it? Continue solving.
5y plus 2.
5y plus 2, that's all. Then, please, switch the TV, please. Switch off the TV. You are in a session, so no need for the... Just 1 minute, just 1 minute, just 1 minute. How we can focus in the session and the TV is working? Give me the explanation for this one. Not only you. How come that you are turning the TV and you are listening to the session?
You can't.
What TV?
There is a TV beside one of you. Right.
That's it.
Continue. Okay, continue.
There's the AC. That's not a TV.
The AC is talking.
So I think it's 5y plus 2 is equal
Okay. Sorry. 5y plus 2 is? 5y plus 2?
is equals to 9y plus 15
Over 2? Why you make it
Equals to 9y.
complicated? Why you make it complicated for this? But if you divide 9 by 2, it will be a fraction. So can we solve it with another way?
I don't.
We can say that if we have an angle like that, that's bisector. When I say all of this angle is equal to 80 degrees, what is the measure for each part?
Both of them are 80.
80.
No.
That is 80, Mr.
This one is 40 and this one is 40.
Yeah. The measure of all
That's
of them?
right.
Opposite. Oh.
Yeah.
Each one is 40. We can say that 40 is equals 80 over 2.
80. Yeah.
Or we can say that 80 is equals
T is equal to
40 times 2.
2.
Which one is easy? To say 40 times 2 or 80 divided by 2?
40
divided by 2.
Sorry? So to solve this question, which one is easy? Now we have a relation between... Please, if you are not using the mic, switch the mic off. Well, I didn't say anything hard. Switch off the mic, please. خلاص? Mimi. So now we have a relation. With the relation that we have, we can say it with two ways. The first one, measure of angle JKN is equals half measure of angle JKL. Is that right?
Yes.
Or we can say with another way, measure of angle JKL is equals double measure of angle JKN. Is that right?
Yes.
The smallest one have the largest part, or the largest part is double the smallest one. Which one will be easy? The down is easy because you can multiply, but if you divide, you will find that 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Give you decimals. And we have 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So it will be also give you decimals, so it will be hard. So for this case, we can say that.
It became 10y.
2 times the angle JKN is equals measure of angle JKL, which is 2 times 5y plus 2 equals 9y plus 15. What you say when you divide by 2 is right, not wrong. But which one is easy to solve? So 10y plus 4 is equal to 9y plus 15. So by subtracting 9y and by subtracting 4, then we can say that 10y minus
y equals 11.
So it will be y equals to 11. But we don't need to find the value of y. We need to find measure of angle JKL. What is JKL? JKL. So measure of angle JKL is 9 times 11 plus 15.
940.
So it will be 99 plus 15, so it will be 114 degrees. Is that clear? Any problem for this one?
No.
Suppose that we have 4 minutes. Oh, okay, we'll finish almost. So that's the question for today. That's the lesson for today. If there is anything hard, we can repeat it one more time. Any problem?
No.
Mr.
Any problem? Sorry?
You have 2 times 2 in the second question, right?
Yes.
But why?
Because this one is hub, as I told you. I just say the given is measure of angle JKL. JKL. All of this part is 9y plus 15. This one.
Oh.
And the measure of angle JKN. This part only is 5y plus 2. This means the other part also will be 5y plus 2. So 5y plus 2 and the 5y plus 2, which is 5y times 2, is equals 9y plus 15. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Any problem for this one?
No.
Any problem for this question?
No, Mr. No.
Okay. So the homework, inshallah, I will send you now the worksheet when I finish. I need you to solve from 1 to 8 only and send it on Telegram. Please try to solve it when you have the next session. What is the time of the next session? No, I think that's the last one. I think this one is the last session for you. So please try to solve from number 1 to number 8 and send it to me. I need only from 1 to 8 and solve it to me. Send it to me. Okay?
Now,
I will send you the worksheet now.
Before Isha, can I send it?
Yeah, it will not take from you just 10 minutes. 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes.
Working from the morning. Okay.
Wallah, it will not, it is easy for you. It's just 10 minutes, it will not take more than 10 minutes. خلاص? Okay.
Just send it.
Inshallah, I'll send it now. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.